Namaskar, welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Jhinge Aloo Posto is a traditional Bengali recipe. Jhinge is rich gourd in Bengali, aloo is potato and posto is white poppy seeds. It is a vegetarian recipe where the rich gourd and potatoes are cooked in a poppy seed paste. At the same time, it requires a very few ingredients to put together. So let's cook Jhinge Aloo Posto. The very first thing we need to do is to soak the poppy seeds in water. You can soak them overnight, or if you forget to do so, then soak them in warm water for about 2 hours. After that, drain out the water through a strainer and put them in a blender jar. After that, I added a green chilli and little salt. Green chilli is totally optional. Add very little water and blend it. Add water 2 or 3 tablespoons at a time and blend it to a thick paste. Do not make it too watery and do not make it too fine as well. This is Ridgegourd or Jhinge as we call in Bengali, and in Hindi it is known as Turai. Cut the tip, peel along the ridges first and then peel the rest of the skin. Here in the US, Ridgegourd is available only at the Asian grocery stores. If it is unavailable where you live, then the same recipe can be followed by using only potatoes or okra or eggplant. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to show those recipes as well. After you are done peeling, cut them into pieces of medium thickness. This is one of those recipes that I always request my mom to make whenever I go to visit her. I always follow her recipe to make this, but she really makes it taste out of the world. And I can have only Jhinge Aloo Posto and rice. After cutting the Ridgegourd, wash them very well. Next, take large potatoes, peel and cut them more or less the same size like the Ridgegourd. Here my pan is heating over medium heat. I added 4 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. I like using mustard oil for this recipe, but you can definitely use any oil of your choice. If using mustard oil, then heat it up very well till it starts smoking. Then reduce the heat to medium and add 1 dried bay leaf. I will be using nigella seeds or kalo jeera as we call in Bengali. When the seed starts to splutter, add the potatoes. Fry the potatoes on medium to high heat for about 4 minutes. Then add the Ridgegourd. Since Ridgegourd has got a lot of water content in it, fry them on high heat for about 2 minutes. Add salt, then cover it on low heat for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, uncover. Now increase the heat to high. You can now see the Ridgegourd has let out so much water. The potatoes are almost 90% done, and so are the Ridgegourd. At this point, add the poppy seed paste. I added a splash of water to my blender jar to rinse out all that goodness to the last bit. Then on high heat, fry the poppy seed paste along with the vegetables. Fry to the point when you will start getting this nutty smell from the poppy seeds and most of the water will evaporate. There are 2 things that you need to remember here. 1. Always add the poppy seed paste towards the end when you see that your vegetables are almost done. And number 2, after adding the poppy seed paste, fry it on medium to high heat till it starts giving out this nutty smell. Then I added just a splash of water and just a teaspoon of sugar. Now cover the pan over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's check what's happening in that pan. You can see the potatoes have become soft. The Ridgegourd is soft too. I think this is one such dish that goes best with rice and urad dal or bulid dal. Let me know in the comment section if you want that recipe as well. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing for more videos. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.